Welcome to War Machines, Explained, a channel dedicated to uncovering the artistry, history, and engineering behind the world's greatest knives and blades. From legendary swords that shape civilizations to modern tactical knives designed for precision and survival, we explore the craftsmanship, technology, and cultural significance of edged weapons across time. Our mission is to present not only the sharpness of steel, but also the depth of knowledge, tradition, and innovation that these blades carry. Here, you will find carefully researched explanations, professional analysis, and engaging storytelling that bridge the gap between history and modern engineering. Whether you are a collector, enthusiast, historian, or simply curious about the science of blades, War Machines Explained offers a space to learn, appreciate, and connect with the timeless power of the world's finest cutting tools. Join us on this journey where every blade tells a story, and every edge reveals the art of human ingenuity. And now, something you already knew. Honjō Masamune, the lost symbol of the Tokugawa Shogunate in the history of Japanese sword making. No name shines brighter than Masamune, the greatest swordsmith of Japan's Kamakura period. Among his many masterpieces, one stands apart: the legendary Honjō Masamune. Forged in the 14th century, this katana became far more than a weapon. It was the emblem of power, legitimacy, and authority of the Tokugawa Shogunate, passed down from shogun to shogun for centuries. Possessing the Honjō Masamune was not only a sign of unmatched craftsmanship, but also the very symbol of political sovereignty in Japan. Technically, Masamune's swords are renowned for their superb balance, razor-sharp edge, and intricate hamon features achieved through innovative differential hardening techniques that define Japanese swordsmithing for generations. The Honjō Masamune, in particular, stood as the epitome of his genius. Yet, what makes this blade even more fascinating is its mystery. After World War II, the Honjō Masamune vanished. Its whereabouts remain unknown to this day, making it one of the world's most sought-after lost treasures. Historians, collectors, and martial artists continue to search for it, not merely as a sword, but as a missing piece of Japan's cultural identity. The Honjō Masamune is more than steel. It is a legend, a symbol of samurai honor, and the spirit of a nation captured in a single blade. Thank you for watching War Machines Explained. Knives and blades are more than just tools of survival or symbols of combat. They are reflections of human history, craftsmanship, and innovation. Each edge carries a legacy, from the forges of ancient masters to the precision of modern engineering. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of the finest blades, we invite you to stay connected. Subscribe, share your thoughts, and join our growing community of enthusiasts who value knowledge, tradition, and the art of steel. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and continue exploring the stories hidden behind every blade.